Welcome to the art of tent making, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Join us at Tent Palace Solutions for an immersive tent making training program. Here, we cover it all, from precise measurements to expert metalwork, canvas cutting to intricate lining. Our training program is your ticket to mastering the entire tent making process. Our program goes beyond the basics. Learn the tricks of the trade, master the tools, and gain skills that will set you apart in the world of tent making. Ready to elevate your tent making game? Limited slots available. Visit our website or contact us at 0724607433 or 07126074333 to secure your spot. Let's create tents that stand out together. At Tent Palace Solutions, we're not just crafting tents, we're crafting futures. Join us and let your creativity unfold.